Hey everyone, today we're going to go over the top 5 features of macOS Ventura, starting with Stage Manager. To use Stage Manager, open your Command Center and turn on Stage Manager. After you have done that, you can open a new window and your previous window will be placed on the left. You can switch by clicking them. You can also open multiple windows and group them together of different applications. To disable this, you have to go back in your Command Center and toggle off. Up next, let's look at the System Settings. The settings has been redesigned to resemble the iPhone and iPad settings. Just take a look. This is very familiar if you've been on those other platforms. Up next is iPhone Continuity. You might have noticed I'm using my webcam on my Mac, but this is an iPhone quality video. That's because of iPhone Continuity. You can see the quality has degraded. Back to the iPhone camera. You have many settings to use. Up next is FaceTime Handoff. Here I will demonstrate using an iPhone call and my Mac. On my Mac, I will simply click Switch. And it was that seamless, the call was not dropped. You can do this the other way as well. Spotlight Update. Here you can see I'm browsing my favorite artist's work directly through Spotlight, and I can even open the specific albums I want to. Spotlight is so much better now. Well, that concludes it for the top 5 features of macOS Ventura. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.